The Breville BGR700BSS Grill offers a versatile cooking experience with its pre-programmed settings, allowing users to effortlessly prepare paninis, burgers, and perfectly seared meats. With its open flat barbecue mode, this grill provides a generous 240 square inch surface for grilling a variety of foods, making it suitable for both meats and breakfast items like eggs and pancakes. The independent plate temperature control feature allows precise cooking of different foods simultaneously, enhancing the grill's functionality and offering endless culinary possibilities. Reversible ceramic grill and griddle plates ensure non-stick cooking and are free from harmful chemicals, allowing for healthier meals with better browning and crust. For added versatility, compatible waffle plates, sold separately, can be used with this grill, featuring a no-mess design that keeps your countertop clean. Cleaning is a breeze with the Breville grill, as its non-stick plates are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after enjoying a delicious meal.